If you're locked out of your TikTok account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you're already on the login screen, proceed to the next step. If not, log out of any existing account to reach the login page. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password option. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Choose your recovery method. You will be prompted to select a recovery method. You can choose to receive a verification code via email or phone number associated with your account. Select your preferred option and click Send Code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code sent by TikTok. Enter the code in the provided field on the app and click Next to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once the verification code is accepted, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it and save the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your TikTok account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance.